Hello, all. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. I came up with another video on wins 1 for the November cycle. So recently, I have made a video on most of the all changes in the SOP, and also I cleared a lot of doubts here. If still you did not see this video, you can watch it first of all, so that this video will be continuation for this. So because we got another update from the wins1 team regarding unit electives, right? So that I am making this video so that you'll be sure that what is going on with the November cycle. So in this video I have explained very clearly in the point of view of freshers who are going to write wins1 for the first time, and also experienced guys who are going to write wins1 this November cycle. I have explained in the very detailed manner here. So go check it out once. I'll add this in the end cards and as well as in the description box. You can check it out this. And also there are a lot of courses I have included here, like prerequisite for T4 is already here. So you can also use this for completing your prerequisites. And if you have any coding challenges, like you are facing any challenge to solve that Spring Boot question, and you can also comment it down. I'll check it out and I'll solve your issues. So without any delay, let us dive into this video. So by this time itself, you might have got to know that they made some change in the unit elective process. So just recently we got a notification regarding that. So without any delay, I started making this video so that all of you people will be aware about this. So let us dive into this video. So here I will be focusing only the major points which are important here for us. So if you see, first thing they have made is that in the process of enrollment, the process of enrollment, if you see, these all points, uh, just a second, these all points were mentioned in the previous video itself. So this is the new point which they have added. This is a biggest blow to BPS grade associates. So what they are telling, BPS grade associates are not eligible for IT or ITIS program. Grade conversion should reflect in the system in case associate wish to enroll for the IT or ITIS. Before it was like BPS associates can also choose IT or ITIS program, and they can right wins one. But from now it is not like that, because they straightforwardly said that they are not eligible for this until unless they might be in the case like their grade might should convert. After that only they will be eligible for this ITR ITIS program. With that unit elective SOP change, this is also a change which I have noticed. So that I placed here this information as well. If you have any BPS guys, like your friends, someone, you can share this thing, or else if you need some information regarding this, you can search in the core or somewhere in the internet. You'll get to know like how BPS guys were writing wins one before this SOP released. So this is about this thing. So majorly we'll be focusing on these unit electives here. So let us see what is going on. As well, like unit electives are prioritized on and owned by unit teams itself. Request you to please reach out. Like the thing is that unit obviously unit electives are the things. Let me use something here. Unit electives are most probably are set by unit teams itself. Like we have like BFSI, like life science, or else we have TCS internal team, right? And those all units, the unit electives will be under them. So list of external certificates which are relevant for the unit will be determined by the respective business group or else unit or GO. So external certificates or internal certificates, both will be decided by those people itself. So please reach out to the unit TD SPOC spot to know the list of approved certifications applicable for your unit. So here comes a major doubt. So how do we know that which certification is approved if we do that, right? So before there was a chance, there was a scene like we used to mail to talent development team or someone unit TD. so they used to provide us, right? But now the case is not that. So I have mentioned note here, right? You please go to global help desk. I also mentioned this thing in a previous video. So go to GHD, and you can raise ticket for any kind of query there. You can go there and you can search like wins1. There you can find like these things like wins1 process or wins1 enrollment. That request directly goes to TD team, like talent development team. So they will definitely help you in this case. So if you need, let me tell you this thing, if you need external certificates, right, like external certifications list which you need to do, so you can directly go and raise a ticket there. They'll send you the Excel sheet or somewhere else, like they can send you list of the courses which are approved by them, right? So in this way you can do that. So this you can like remember it, and you can do this. If you have any kind of queries, you can comment it down. Let's see, it will definitely work. You can try it out. So certification status should reflect as acquired in the system, and acquired date should be in line with the learning cutoff date of assessment cycle. So in this case, you can see this, right? This point, certification status should reflect as acquired before. When should it happen? Before the cutoff date of learning cutoff date. They have mentioned learning cutoff date, right? So I doesn't have that information here. If you see, there should be a September 5th and October 10th. It seems like two various dates, right? So two different dates, which I have explained in the previous video. So align with that. So so it should get acquired before that. That means before that itself we should upload the those certificates there, and it should be approved by who, like you can see under this, it should be approved by some TD, or else they will provide a link and all. So you can upload those certificates there. Those also should be in line with unit specific external certifications. So for that list you should definitely raise a ticket. So this rising the ticket is a new way. So before they were providing directly, but now they are tracking up who wanted that, and unwantedly they are not providing to everyone. So that is the case of this rising the ticket in GHD. So certification completion details shared by unit TDs alone will be considered for milestone rewards. So certification completion, once they approve that, your names and information will goes to TD, right? TDs. So they'll share with higher management, and they will approve, like they will consider that as a milestone rewards. So rewards will not be processed in real time. So any completion post the cutoff date will be considered only in the next cycle, provided it is shared by respective UNTD spots. So thing is that you should get approved by before learning cutoff date, and also they should share that before that, right? So that they can process and they can take required actions on that. So keep that in the mind. And here only active and valid certifications will be considered or processed for wins1. So any certifications completed which is not approved by respective unit TD spot will not be considered for. So obviously keep cutoff date in the mind. And so this is a they mentioned like learning cutoff dates, right? Before that it should get acquired, like you should upload in that link. So if you need that link, still they did not send any link, right? So based on units it will be different. You can also check in the TCS wins. We have a course ID, right? 1510150150250 something, the course ID. There you can check. We should have one external certifications, like uploading functionality there. So check it out once. So this is the main like update from the team regarding this external certifications, validity of external certifications. This is the validity cutoff date, but not this is learning cutoff date is different from validity cutoff date. So let us see this external certifications, that is part of approved list. So I'm telling approved list, it should be part of approved list for wins1 assessment, and in alignment with the demand of unit will be considered as valid for milestone rewards only when the certification acquired date is within a 2 year range. So it should be within a 2 year range. If I'll tell you an example, simple example, that so if you are uploading now, so that certification you made, right, that means you wrote exam for that, right? It should be before, this is the year 2024, right? It should be in the year 2022 itself. They will not consider the certification which happened in the 2021. Okay, that also you should keep in the mind is that, so for May cycle it will be 15th May, for November cycle it will be 15th November. So they have a scenario here. I am explaining in the clear way that let us say this, for November cycle you are uploading your certification. So you have completed that in 2022, because this is the year 2023. It comes in a 2 year range, but you should also consider that you should have been finished that after November, sorry, after November 15th 2022. It should not be November 14th 2022. You got this point, right? Let me write here. So it should be November above, like it should be from November 15th 2022 if you are uploading for this cycle. So it should be in the range of 2 years, and also it should be aligned with this thing. So if you are for November cycle, if it is 14th, it is okay. If it is okay if it is 15th or above this date. If it is 14th, right, or below that, it is not considered. So this is the like cutoff date and validity, how they will validate your external certifications. So this is all about the SOP change and which we got from the team. So I have explained. I think I have explained. I hope you understood. So thanks for watching. And if you have still any doubts, you can comment it down. So until we meet next time, bye.